Hey, hi everyone. So there is a new update on cumulative volume delta. So if I apply cumulative volume delta, here, if you go to settings, earlier what used to happen, we could get the cumulative volume delta sessions adjusted on a daily basis. However, now you can choose your own time limit to adjust the cumulative volume delta sessions. So for that, you need to go to delta bar setting, switch on cumulative volume delta, and now we have an option of a reset session. So here the session is day. Now you can choose session as weekly or reset session as monthly, or you can simply choose visible candles all. So now whatever candles are visible on the screen, the cumulative volume delta will be adjusted based on these candles. So for example, in this chart, this is the time up to which candles are visible, and based on that, we get the cumulative volume delta as minus 1.25 million. Now, if I zoom out the chart and include more candles, this cumulative volume delta will keep on adjusting accordingly. Right? So now we can see the cumulative volume delta is minus 481.05K. So this is how you can use this cumulative volume delta sessions and use all these four options according to your strategy. Now there is one more option to measure the cumulative volume delta. So if you see this left toolbar, we have this measure tool over here. So if you click on that, and now you can select any range, and you can see cumulative volume delta for this range is 1.6 million. So to get the cumulative volume delta for a particular range, you can also use the measure tool over here. Thank you guys.